Hi guys, I'm going to sing a song for you. It's called Earthquake, and I hope you enjoy it. Labyrinth, come in! Ladies and gentlemen, this is something they call a groundbreaker breaker. So let me first apologize to the shirts and the ties for your makeup. Cause wanna ugly, as soon as it drops, we're on a rampage. Bottles popping up, out of nowhere. It's rubbling dust, cause we could crash in it up. Somebody say you better run. Yeah! I predict an earthquake up in here. Say yeah. Predict an earthquake up in here. There's throw bombs on it, throw bombs on it. Just smash something, yeah, march for me. Yeah. We can make an earthquake up in here. So here we go, gentlemen. What you're about to witness is no illusion. Now we got the bass banging in. Everyone's back in the palace. They're all moving. Simon, we're acting them up, turn them psycho. Everybody rock, let's bring the house down. To rubbling dust, cause we be crashing it up. Let me say, you better run. Yeah. It's an earthquake up in here. Say yeah. It's an earthquake up in here. Throw bombs on it, throw bombs on it. Just smash something, yeah, march for me. Yeah. Make an earthquake up in here. An earthquake up in here. They throw bombs on it, throw bombs on it. Just smash something, yes, march for me. Yes. Gonna make an earthquake up in here. So here we go. Yeah. Fire. We're about to set this place on fire. Without the match or lighter. No. If you want to Christian, go for Gija. I phone up the designer. Don't know my days at all. I realize I predict fires, I predict chaos, I predict people, I predict London, the whole city panicking. I'll be metronome with my labyrinth. Yeah. I predict an earthquake up in here. Say yeah. I predict an earthquake up in here. Throw bombs on it. Just smash something, yeah, march for me. Say yeah. I predict an earthquake up in here. So here we go. And Prince, come in. Thanks guys for listening. I hope you enjoy, and I'll see you tomorrow, tonight, next week. I don't know. So see you then. Bye.